Alright guys, so here we're going to test out the different spray nozzles. So here you can see we got flat, we have shower, we have cone, jet, and that goes real far. Hello everyone, today we're showing you this expandable garden hose. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get. Okay, inside the pack you get a manual, you get a hose hanger. So you wrap your hose around here. So this is the hose. Now I actually like this a lot. Look how flexible this is. Like you can just basically bend it, twist it however you want. Really nice flexible hose. It's lightweight as well. Very nice connector ends. So you got an on off switch on here as well. So you just turn this to turn it on and off. So nice main shut off valve. Some washers in here. You want to put the washers normally down inside here and then thread it on. But this is your nozzle. You can twist the top cap here for all these different settings and effects. Alright guys, so here we're going to test out the different spray nozzles. So here you can see we got flat, we have shower, we have cone, jet, and that goes real far. Soaker, which just basically puts a lot of water out the front. Angle, that goes pretty far. Mist, puts a nice mist out. Half vert. Center, which is similar to jet, just a little fuller. And full. And back to flat.